A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way of others, said Mustafa Ataturk. My name is Bigzat Konareva. Teacher Certificate of Appreciation for Classroom Methodology. 9 students with B2 C1 certificates by Education First in 2019. Sejra Nazira Nukenwagda winners, first place winners at 19th Regional Conference of Scientific Works in 2019. Lesson study on the theme how the research questions helped to improve learners' academic communication skills received an invitation to WAS 19. The importance of reading books in English. Konarbay Nushat got the second place at the city stage of Scientific Works in 2020. Second place at the city stage of Republican Olympiad by Shurayeva Aida in 2020. Mentioned works were a small part of achievements of my students. As for my own achievements, 3 certificates in the Regional Conference of Researchers in 2017, in 2018 and 2019. I've been also rewarded with certificate for presenting at the 9th International Research to Practice Conference. Certificate of Appreciation for presenting at 15th CASI International Research Conference in 2019. Appreciation letter by Nazarbayev Intellectual Schools the same year. Badge in honor of 10th anniversary of Nazarbayev Intellectual Schools 2019. Appreciation letter by Aktau City Department of Education 2021. Okay, my students, how are you feeling?
Fine.
Okay, thank you. So, right now we are going to do reading task. So, we have here 2 learning objectives. 1, reading, and the second is for listening. Lesson objectives. We are going to, please, Arjan, read.
We are going to read the text, listen to the retelling carefully to complete 80–90% of the tasks correctly on Kahoot.
Okay, great, thank you. So next we are going to have pre-reading task. What does brilliant career mean for you? Please, Nazirke.
The career is a very important thing in every one, and for me the brilliant career is doctor, especially dentist, and I want to open my own dental clinic in every Kazakhstan, in every city of Kazakhstan, and I think this is my chain of
dental clinics, yeah? Okay, thank you. Nice. What job do you want to have? Who wants? Yeah, Adina?
I want to get a job where I feel comfortable. I love helping people, doing good, so I choose the medical faculty.
Okay, good, thank you. So, do dream jobs really exist? Arjan?
Of course, I believe that everyone has a dream job, but many simply have not found it yet.
Yeah, agree. I fully agree with you. So, next is, we are going to have reading task. Here, as you see, you are sitting in 3 groups, yeah? This group is first group, second group, and third group. And also you have reading worksheets here on your table. So please, first group we have to read and be ready to retell the text. Prepare true, false, 5 true, false tasks. Group 1. So group 2, you are going to read your text, be ready to retell the text, prepare 5 multiple choice tasks. You are welcome to use your laptops groups, yeah? So group 3. Again, you are going to read and be ready to retell your text and prepare 5 gut feeling tasks, okay? So, you have laptops on your table, and please use Kahoot to prepare your tasks, okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Good luck. Assessment criteria. Prepare clear retelling and tasks for your peers. If you get 4 out of 5, you will achieve lesson objectives. Anina, Nurtaz, and Albina. Come here. You are new group now.
The first one, imagination. The age of
We need kinds of careers as they are people. They vary greatly and they have one effect to person's life. And the career can affect your life in many ways. For example, they can determine the knowledge you have, and they can determine also your earning money, amount of your earning money, and also it's really dependent on your emotions, your behavior, and your interests. And when you are when you are choosing a career field, you have to think about your interests, think about your attitudes, and you can also choose the career by your values and interests.
And breakdowns in culture. Much of today's business is conducted across international borders, and while business community is using English as a common language, the expectations of different cultures can differ from culture to culture, and so lack of understanding of cultural differences can result in unfair judgments, misunderstandings, and breakdowns in communication. So there are two basic areas of differences that you should know before, when you find yourself working with someone from a different culture. So first one is smiling, and famous Russian proverb stated as smiling is often considered as a sign of idiocy and can be regarded with suspicion in Russia. Even countries like United States and Australia and Britain, smiling is often interpreted as a sign of openness, respect, and friendship. In researches done on smiling pictures, smiling people are considered more intelligent than non-smiling ones in countries like Germany, Britain, and Spain. Yet in countries like Russia, Japan, South Korea, smiling pictures are considered less intelligent than non-smiling pictures.
Okay, thank you. Good job. Thank you so much. So next, we're going to play kahoot. You're welcome.
Woo. Wonderful.
Ready? Yes. Okay. There are many kinds of careers as needed, decisions and plans. There are people opportunities. Okay, 4 correct answers. Good, next. Sabina? Highest score is Sabina. Okay, next. The kind of career you have can influence your interests, change your life, completely affect your life in many ways, influence your attitude. Wow, 7 correct answers. wise career decisions and plans. Okay, good. Okay, Sabina again. The winner. Most people are happiest in jobs that fit their values, fit their devotion. Wow, great. Okay. Amina, third place. Nurta, second place. First place is Sabina. So next kahoot. Next kahoot. 881 46 85. 881 46 85. Who created the kahoot? This kahoot. Will not play. Yeah? Do you know?
Yes.
Okay, 6 players. Are you ready? Yes. Go. I use Jigsaw reading with comprehension tasks using all 4 skills in this lesson. First of all, learners read the text. Each group prepares for several tasks on Kahoot. After, learners create another 3 groups and retell it to their new group members. Finally, all learners play Kahoot and get their marks. Okay, students, how many points did you get?
5.
Okay. 5. Okay. It means that we got achieved lessons and learning objectives. So now I need you to tell me a few words to give feedback.
I think the lesson was easy for me. The lesson is helpful for me and my group. It was logical.
Okay, thank you.
It was vital and practical.
Great.
Got the best lesson.
It was a wonderful lesson. I really enjoyed it.
Okay.
It was a bright lesson.
I really enjoyed it too. It was very entertaining.
Thank you so much for your active participation. I really appreciate it. And you are all well done. Thank you.